Picture waking up tomorrow morning, checking your phone, and discovering you've earned more while sleeping than most people make in a week. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It can become your new reality. But for a growing community of entrepreneurs using the Master Affiliate Profits system, this is their daily reality. Hey, we like to keep things real. So, before you start counting your chickens, here's our income disclaimer. The income examples in this video are for illustrative purposes only and are not guaranteed. Actual results may vary based on individual effort, market conditions, and other factors. We do not promise any specific level of income or success. Always perform your own due diligence before participating in any business opportunity. What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, you're about to discover a system so powerful, so revolutionary, that it's already transforming ordinary people into extraordinary success stories? A system that's designed to help complete beginners generate $7,275 or more in monthly recurring income. That's money that keeps flowing month after month, long after the initial work is done. But before I reveal exactly how this works, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how the most successful people in the world don't trade time for money? They create systems that earn money while they sleep. Imagine having access to such a system, and the best part? What if it featured free enrollment? That's exactly what Master Affiliate Profits, or MAP, has perfected. Section 1. The Revolutionary Master Affiliate Profits System. Let's start with what makes MAP different from anything you've seen before. While other programs put up barriers and demand large upfront investments, MAP has pioneered something revolutionary, truly frictionless enrollment. Imagine a system where anyone can start their journey to financial freedom without risking a penny. That's the power of frictionless enrollment. Anyone can join for free and earn while they learn. When you join for free, yes, completely free, you're not getting some watered-down trial version. Instead, you receive instant access to a professional-grade affiliate marketing course valued at over $600. This isn't just an ordinary affiliate marketing course. It's a comprehensive education in modern affiliate marketing, covering everything from basic concepts to advanced strategies. And here's the kicker. You can start earning commissions immediately, even as a free member. Section 2. The Immediate Income Potential. Now, let's talk about something truly exciting. How you can start earning money from day one. During the enrollment process, every new member encounters an exclusive opportunity that showcases the genius of MAP's founders, John Thornhill and Omar Martin. They've created a unique one-time offer system that converts at astronomical rates. Here's how it works. New members are offered an exclusive, heavily discounted deal to purchase an advanced traffic generation system, complete with videos and workbooks, for less than $9.99, a truly unheard of value. This exceptional offer is designed to ensure that more people can access and benefit from the high-quality content, making it an irresistible opportunity for those looking to boost their online presence. As the referring affiliate, you earn a full 100% commission on this purchase. Rest assured, this system works in two key ways. First, it allows you to effortlessly collect commissions repeatedly. Second, it provides your prospects with the tools they need to make sales with Master Affiliate Profits. Best of all, the 100% commission offer extends to both free and paid members. Keep watching, because in just a moment, you'll discover how this 100% commission can propel you to earn additional revenue on autopilot. But it gets better. If someone doesn't take the first offer, they're presented with a second chance at an even lower price point. And guess what? You still earn 100% commission on that sale too. Section 3. The MAP Commission Structure. Let's break down the full commission structure that makes MAP so powerful. What you're about to learn is revolutionary. It can help you earn life-changing money. Once your lead enrolls in the Master Affiliate Profits platform, your work is done. For 90 days, MAP professionally markets all its goods and services for you. Until now, most marketers failed due to a lack of follow-up skills, but with Master Affiliate Profits, the system handles all the marketing once your lead is in. Best of all, this service applies to all membership levels, including free MAP members. Free members earn a generous 25% commission on all sales. For silver members they earn an enhanced 40% commission. And gold members receive a substantial 50% commission. The highest position is platinum. Platinum members earn an industry-leading 75% commission. But here's what makes this truly extraordinary. These commissions are on recurring monthly fees. That means one sale can generate income for months or even years to come. Section 4. The one-link technology revolution. Now, let me introduce you to something that changes everything, MAP's proprietary one-link technology. When you enroll someone into MAP, they're permanently linked to you. Not just for a few months or even a few years, for life. If they make a purchase 10 years from now, you still earn your commission. This creates a snowball effect of growing, passive income that's truly remarkable. Section 5. More ways to earn. The commission add-ons explained. Let's dive deeper into one of MAP's most powerful features, commission add-ons. Imagine this scenario. You enroll someone as a free member. 3 years later, they attend a MAP-hosted webinar featuring a well-known online marketer and they purchase the marketer's $2,000 training program. Here's how the money flows. The guest, marketing expert earns half of the proceeds, which amounts to $1,000 in this case. The remaining $1,000 stays within the Master Affiliate Profits platform. From Master Affiliate Profits portion, you receive commissions based on your Master Affiliate Profits membership level. Free members enjoy a generous 20% commission, which in this example is $200. With MAP's one-link technology, this can happen as quickly as a week from today, or even 5 years down the line. A silver member's commission grows to 30%. The commissions earned in this example are $300. A gold member's commission grows to 35%. The commissions earned in this example are $350. Platinum members enjoy an impressive 50% commission, which, in this example, amounts to $500. In addition to this, Platinum members are also entitled to Tier 2 commissions of 25% for any sales made by the MAP members they personally enroll. Section 6. The Traffic Commission Revolution. MAP pays commissions on paid traffic. Everyone needs leads and traffic. They've even revolutionized how affiliates earn from traffic generation. When any member, even free members, purchases traffic through MAP, you earn a 10% commission. This means you're earning from every aspect of your team's growth and success. Section 7. The Platinum Tier 2 Commission Advantage. Now, let me show you something that's truly game-changing. The Platinum Tier 2 Commission Structure. Let's break this down step by step. As a Platinum member, $97 per month. You enroll 2 other Platinum members. You earn a 75% commission on the monthly fees of your personally enrolled Platinum members, which amounts to $145.50 in monthly commissions. By enrolling just 2 Platinum members, you've not only covered your $97 monthly membership fee but also pocketed a nice profit. Now imagine that your 2 Platinum members each enroll 5 Platinum members, 10 total. You'll earn a 25% Tier 2 commission on their sales equals $60.62 additional monthly income. Now, let's scale this. Let's assume that over a short period of time with the Master Affiliate Profits automated done-for-you follow-up system following up on your leads, your MAP team ends up with 10 personally enrolled Platinum members. With 10 personally enrolled Platinum members, you generate $727.50 in monthly recurring direct commissions, plus $303.10 monthly recurring, Tier 2 commissions. That's a total of $1,030.60 monthly recurring income. That's incredible revenue. Scale up to 100 Platinum members, and you could be earning over $7,275 per month in recurring income. Besides your direct commissions, you'll also earn Tier 2 commissions on any sales made by the Master Affiliate Profits members you personally enroll. Now, let me introduce you to something that puts this opportunity into overdrive. Dory O'Neill's exclusive MAP team. Who is Dory O'Neill? Dory helped over 1 million people to establish their own work-from-home businesses. Following Dory's training, Combined, those solopreneurs generated over $1 billion in sales worldwide, and Dory paid those entrepreneurs more than $240 million in commissions. By joining through this video, you'll receive Dory's exclusive bonus package. For paid MAP members, the bonus package includes a done-for-you YouTube viral funnel system, valued at over $5,000, co-created by Mike Phil-Same. Mike is the founder of Groove Pages. This incredible resource is available for free for all paid MAP members that personally enroll with Dory's MAP team. Free members receive the template version of Dory's YouTube viral funnel. In addition to Dory's YouTube viral funnel bonus, all of Dory's personally enrolled MAP members receive professional email sequence templates and access to Dory's exclusive 365 days of motivational emails, plus personal access to Dory's success strategies, free online workshops featuring free over-the-shoulder training. Dory's complete training program is worth thousands. It's yours free. Simply put, Dory's mission is to help you make money online. The window to secure your position with these exclusive bonuses won't stay open forever. Your journey to financial transformation starts now. Visit yesshowme.com/map to secure your free position. Leave a comment with your questions. Subscribe to this channel for ongoing support. Hit the like button to help others find this opportunity. Remember, a year from now, you'll wish you had started today. The only question is, will you be celebrating your financial breakthrough, or still wondering, what if? Visit yesshowme.com/map now to secure your position and exclusive bonuses.